In September, we have a little pause, and we pick up again in October with a piece of work I'm very excited about. We've commissioned Gary Owen, Wales's foremost playwright, to write a play for us about Bridgend, the town where he grew up. The context of this play is the series of unexplained suicides over 2008 amongst the young people there. Gary may write directly about them, he may not, but that's the context. And we're thrilled to be doing this in partnership with SHERMAN Cymru, who will be homeless for that year. So between us, we'll find a home in Bridgend to present this new world premiere of Gary's play about the Bridgend young people. And the best way to represent young people in Bridgend, we felt, was to find some and talk to them. So we're now going to try and engage in some kind of Skype dialogue with a bunch of teenagers. There they are. Hello. Hello.
Hi. I'm Lauren.
I'm Sam.
I'm Lowry.
And I'm Mari.
They're twins.
Yeah, we're twins.
You're twins, though.
And what would you like to tell us about Bridgend, guys, and about your lives and who you are?
Don't listen to what you hear about Bridgend on the news, because it's nothing like that, is it?
No, it's nothing.
No, it has had a lot of bad press recently for all the suicides and various things happening around Bridgend, but it's not true. Like, Bridgend is a wonderful place to live, and there's so much going on and to do and stuff like that, really, yeah.
And we're all happy.
We're all positive people.
And you guys are all with Bridgend Youth Theatre, is that right?
Yeah.
That's how we all became friends, through Bridgend Youth Theatre, yeah.
We go there every Sunday and we do loads of shows and it's so fun.
Well, thank you very much for joining us, and we hope you're going to stay part of us in the first year of work at National Theatre Wales.
Bye. Thanks so much, guys.